Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back. This is Hazel from Handcrafted Expressions. Today, as a design team member for the Robin Nest Creative, I will be designing this canvas, that is Daisy Face Creative Dewdrop Canvas. Here I will be using the fabulous colors of the dewdrops, an ink pad and a stencil to go with it. Let's start. Here we are done with the canvas. Today I designed this canvas very simple using the daisy face. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Do visit the Robin Nest's website for the lovely dewdrops and the canvas. Bye. See you next time.